Welcome to Woodfast HQ. G'day, I'm Charles and today I'm here presenting you the Woodfast WL1216B mini wood lathe. This Woodfast mini wood lathe offers all the features you would need, including a powerful 1 horsepower brushed motor with variable speed, remote magnetic controller with digital readout, heavy duty spindle with 24 indexing positions, and a rock solid cast iron bed. This mini lathe is perfect for the enthusiasts, educators and pro turners alike. Stick with me as we go through the details. Woodfast offers woodworkers like you reliable, high performance woodworking at an affordable price. This Woodfast heavy duty compact lathe comes with a powerful 1 horsepower variable speed motor fitted with a 10 amp plug. The motor is totally enclosed and fan cooled, protecting it from dust. The motor is placed below the lathe base, maximising the working space around the headstock. This motor provides all the power you will need for a broad range of turning conveniently anywhere along the base of the lathe. The control box has a digital readout so you can manage the speed of your lathe easily and safely. It also features an emergency stop just in case. The lathe spindle will rotate in both the forward and reverse direction, providing you with the flexibility you need for creative wood turning. Woodfast products are known not only for their reliability and performance, but they're also known for their rock-solid build, even in the smaller machinery. The WL1216B lathe has a heavy-duty spindle and cast iron headstock that allows for a healthy swing of 305mm and 419mm between centres. The headstock spindle has a very standard M30 by 3.5 thread, features 24 indexing positions, and both the headstock and tailstock have an MT2 taper. All the hand wheels are made from polished steel. The Woodfast lathe features a heavy-duty banjo and is supplied with a 200mm tool rest topped with a solid steel round bar for smooth and even wood turning. The tailstock slides easily along a polished, extra-wide steel bed, and the tailstock has an adequate 90mm of travel and a heavy locking handle for extra safety. The Woodfast mini wood lathe has a comprehensive range of speeds ranging from 250 RPM right through to 3,200 RPM in 3 stages. Check the Woodfast website to learn more about the lathe speed settings. The speed of your lathe is easily controlled via the remote control. The lathe belts are easily accessed via this panel. Together you have full control of your lathe speed, allowing you to work efficiently and safely on a range of medium and smaller projects. Your new Woodfast lathe is supplied with a standard set of tools including a knockout bar, spanners and Allen keys. Included also is a tool rest, a tailstock live center, a spur drive and a 75mm faceplate. This wood lathe has a range of optional accessories including a lathe stand, a cast bed extension, 100mm and 300mm tool rests and a tool rest extender. Check the website for details. If you want a sturdy and versatile mini wood lathe, then check out the Woodfast W1216B. This lathe is perfect for educators, enthusiasts and pro woodworking alike, offering reliable, high performance wood turning at an affordable price. Get in and see your Woodfast dealer today or visit us online at woodfastmachinery.com.au. Thanks for watching and see you in the workshop.